In a world filled with aircraft, there is a museum. A museum doing what few others are brave enough to do. A museum answering the questions we are all asking. Questions like, will Teddy find his medal? Questions like, how do aeroplanes fly? What were early aeroplanes made of? How were they used in the First World War? How were they used in the Second World War? Were pilots the only heroes of the Battle of Britain? What was life like for school children during the Second World War? Has the RAF always been diverse? How high in the sky can we survive? How does aviation affect your local area? What can diaries, letters, and memoirs tell us about the RAF? Do you have the skills needed to be a pilot? Could you survive an air raid? Find out this autumn. Only at the RAF Museum, London.